So I'm going to do things a little different in this video, and I'm going to do a quick sketch first, and then I'll go over each step of how to draw the expression afterwards. Okay, so now I'm going to go over the sketch with a darker pen, and I'll explain as I go along. Right then, for the eyes, just draw a normal rectangle or oval shape, but make sure that the bottom eyelids are curving upwards. And that curve is very important, because without it, the smile would not look very genuine. And then something I do a lot is add two curved lines above the eye, and that will most of the time make the eyes look better. But it is optional. And then after you've done that, just draw in the irises, but because the bottom eyelids are curving upwards, make sure that the bottom part of the irises are hidden. So now I'm just quickly going over the highlights in the eyes and the pupils. So after I've done this, I'm going to go on to the eyebrows, and for this expression the eyebrows need to be normal and up high on the face. So now, as you can see, all I'm doing is drawing an arched shape, and then doing the same on the other side. And when doing this, just make sure that the eyebrows aren't slanting too much downwards or upwards. Now, because the eyebrows are up high on the face, you can actually draw in wrinkle lines in between the eyebrows, just to show that they're being pushed up. Okay, so next is the mouth, and for this expression we're just going to draw a big smile. So start off by drawing the outside shape of the mouth, which actually looks a bit like a boat. And after you've done that, the next step is to darken the corners of the mouth. And as you can see, that brings out the shape of the teeth. And then after you've done that, just go to the inside corner and darken there as well. And then just do a small C shape in the corner of the mouth, just where the cheek is. Next, you just go over to the teeth and draw two lines that do not connect in the middle. Now you can just draw one line across if you want, but I think drawing two lines that do not touch looks much better. And then the next thing you can do is just add a line underneath the mouth. And when your character doesn't have any lips, this line usually will make the mouth look better. And that's it, how to draw a happy, smiling expression on your characters. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, because there's going to be loads more videos like this one coming up. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.